box.
Yeah, I'm getting video of you guys.
Do you want some help?
Yeah. No, we got it.
So there's things in this box for Clarabelle, there's things for Zachary, and there's something for Mom and Dad.
So Grandma is very nice. I love my grandma more than my friends. Look. What are those?
See what's in that one.
Can you open this for me? I think this one's for you.
The stuff with the Hello Kitties for Claire. Oh, that one's
This
Zach's.
looks like it's for Zach.
Okay, switch.
Yeah. Legos. Mama. Whoa. Hello Kitty.
Oh, what's this?
Hello Kitty purse. And what else?
Was that
And
good? Zach, honey, you've got your
Even
bag.
I saw there was a Hello Kitty. Look. Bow for you. Ooh. Look at Hello Kitty. Umbrella. Carol got nice fit girls. Oh, look at a Louis Cow thing.
What's that?
Umbrella.
Oh, watch out, Claire.
Oh,
You
it has.
can open it this.
It has ears. I'm going to open this up and see what it is.
So Claire, look inside the purse. What's inside the purse?
I wonder what is inside it. What?
Zach, let's let Clarabelle look.
I want to see too.
Here, Claire. Clarabelle.
Package.
Packing paper.
What? Maybe inside there's something.
Here, Claire. Here's your bag. Clarabelle.
Even for a car.
Yes, that's for our car. All right, Clarabelle. Here's your bag.
And here's. This is a little cheaper thing. Band-Aid. Look. Band-Aids.
I think those are stickers.
No, these are stickers. I don't get stickers. You're lucky.
What is that?
You should open it up.
I might need to go get some scissors.
This.
Here, wait, I almost got it. Hold on.
You doing it! You doing it! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job!
Oh, here, before you... Yeah, let me see if I can get it out for you without hurting it. Oh.
Whoa, a bracelet.
It's a watch. Like your Thomas watch.
But Carol's is not broken. Mine is broken.
Yours isn't broken. It just needs a new battery.
Oh yeah.
We'll get you a new battery.
I call it broken because you have better stuff than me, Carol.
Oh,
I got cars.
Nice things, honey.
But I got cars better than
You
Carol.
want to show Daddy?
I got boys stuff. Carol got girls.
Wow.
That's an